The vacuum of space. For millennia, we believed it to be a place of absolute silence. But what if that silence was shattered? Today, we delve into an event that broke this fundamental perception, the moment the silence of space was truly broken. Imagine the setting, the vast, silent emptiness of deep space, an endless void where sound cannot travel in the way we know it. Our historical perception is that space is soundless, because sound needs a medium like air to propagate. Yet, this event challenged everything. Suddenly, a signal arrived, not through traditional means, but as a disruptive sound wave that registered on our most sensitive instruments. This was the precise moment the sound or signal occurred, jarring the calm of the cosmos and alerting astronomers worldwide. Visually, the disruption might look like a burst of static on a receiver, or the sudden, violent ripple of a powerful wave traveling across the void. The next crucial question: what was the source of this profound disruption? The origins could be natural, like a powerful pulsar or black hole collision, or something even more intriguing, a sophisticated, man-made signal from another civilization. Scientific analysis revealed the sound's characteristics: a low-frequency hum, structured and persistent, unlike typical cosmic background noise. The implications are staggering. This noise suggests new physics, new methods of energy propagation, or perhaps contact. It directly challenges the long-held notion of absolute cosmic silence, redefining our understanding of how energy and information traverse the universe. This incident marks the beginning of a new chapter, forcing us to listen more carefully to the subtle, complex symphony of the cosmos. The event has spurred a renewed focus on deep space listening projects. What else might we have missed? In summary, the breaking of the silence was more than just a sound. It was a revelation, changing our place in the universe forever. As we gaze back into the cosmos, we no longer hear silence, but the faint, exciting echo of a sound that broke the void.